Hi there, and thanks for actually taking the time to actually check out this short video. This is going to be a little brief explanation about the Lead Lightning software that you can actually get. Purchase price is $7. I'm going to tell you about why I purchased this program and about how I actually use it. First of all, what is Lead Lightning? Well, Lead Lightning is a one-time $7 payment software program that you can use to actually create and actually use a landing page. So for me, I actually use this software to actually basically market my network marketing opportunity. I'm just going to show you one of the pages that you can actually use. So here, if you go to Lead Lightning, and it gives you my link. This is the link. This is the page that you get, yeah, for $7. So all I do is I actually market this page using various methods to actually get people to actually find out more about my business. So what they do is they enter their details, their email, they request information, and what actually happens is once they enter their details, they then get sent a series of follow-up emails from a built-in autoresponder that is within the software program itself. So if you're the sort of person, it might be that you're like me, you use drop card marketing, you have paid advertising. What actually happens is people will come to this page, they'll enter their details, and then they'll be sent obviously a series of emails re-promoting your business. But not only does it re-promote your business, it re-promotes the Lead Lightning software itself. So for me, when I actually joined and I actually paid my $7 to actually get this software, the person that actually sponsored me and obviously got me initially to look at this page, they actually earn a very small commission. You only actually earn $6. So for me, every time someone comes in, they want to find out what I'm doing, they can find out obviously more about my business through the sequence of emails where they actually re-promote what my business is about. But they can also, if they so decide to do so, get this software itself themselves. If they do, and they pay the $7, I myself, as an affiliate for this company, earn $6. Now, obviously, it's not loads of money, and that wasn't the reason why I initially got involved in using this software. It was to actually get this page. It was to enable me to promote my landing page to actually build my list. If you haven't already realised, you need to be building your email list, yeah, so you can obviously remarket your different ideas, programs, business opportunities, etc. So I think this is a very good software. If you go to I'm not going to show you all but if you come up to here, you've got quick start training. It tells you all how to get started. It talks about traffic generation. If I click on this, it will go to, it will show you all the leads that I've got. I'm not going to do that because obviously it's got people's details. Contact manager, so I can message all my contacts, yeah. But it's really good. Like all these programs, they've got upgrades where you can upgrade and get different levels of training to obviously promote your business, but that would be for you to decide. For me, I think it's well worth. I think it's well worth $7. I mean, I've had quite a bit of success with it, but obviously you'd need to decide. What you can do, there's also a way where you can actually get a free landing page, but you don't actually have to pay any money. You basically can use a different lead. A different lead. It's called the free lead system. With the free lead system, I'll just show you this quickly. When I first joined, this was how I come in. The free lead system, they give you another link. This was the page that first recruited me. With this page, you haven't got to pay any money. I'll leave a link down below the video to this as well. And what this system here, it's the same system, but it's called the free lead system. It's the entry level one. But basically, with this system, if you join through this link, you get to have a page just like this one. But the trouble with this system is that the first lead that you capture goes to you. The second lead that comes in, and the fourth and the sixth and the eighth, basically every second lead goes up to the person that brought you into the system. So for me, when I first started doing it, I was seeing that the leads were coming in and every second lead was going up to my upline. So I very quickly realised that if I paid $7, I was going to get to keep all my leads. And because I knew I was going to market the system and I was going to use the system, I very quickly realised that $7, it's the price of a cappuccino in some countries. I just thought, why am I worried about that? Do you know what I mean? So this is a good system. It's very good. It's very good if you want to get started. But the reason I like it is that you can promote one page, you can build your list. But what's also good about it is, with this one, the free lead system and Lead Lightning, the sequence of emails that basically comes out, like every day they send a different email on your behalf, it re-promotes your primary business. So whatever business I'm in, and I've got a few different things that I do, I can actually go to my main page. I just want to show you this quickly. And basically, I can put in here whatever link I want to put in. Yeah? So whatever business you might want to put in, say like you're involved in a CBD business, it might be you're involved in something else. Whatever link you put in here, and then you can update it, that then will take the place of the primary business that you're actually re-promoting to your list. Yeah. So for me, I'm involved in a couple of different businesses. So what I do from time to time, I might change this. Someone comes in and then I think, you know what, I'm gonna re-promote something else that I'm involved with. Yeah. But it's really good because a lot of people, they'll get these leads. These leads will come in through their system. Yeah, they'll come in. You might be running ads on Quick Ads, or you might have a free advertising site. But the trouble is, people don't always come into a business and join that business right away. I know this was definitely the case for me. It was more a case of, you'd get a lead, you'd message the person about it, and then you perhaps a week later you might message him again, and then you'd ring him again. But the trouble is, depending on how big your list grows, you've not got the time to keep on going after and pestering these people. You actually want to become I watched a video a while ago. They talk about how you want to become the hunted. You want the people coming to you. And the way you do that, the only way you do that is through automating your business. You need to have people, your business needs to be being put in front of people using automation, and they might see the first email, then they see the second email, then they might see the 12th email and think, oh, do you know what? I'll have another look at that. And that's how it works. And that is why this system is a very, very good. For the money, it's a good system to have, yeah. Like I say, it's got all the quick start training, traffic generation, your leads, your account, what money you've made, upgrades. It's got upgrades where you can obviously, like all these systems, they all want you to upgrade to get better training, more information, yeah. And again, that would be for you to decide if you want to do that or not. Yeah, with the upgrades that basically give you more tuition and more training, you can only profit from the upgrades if you are upgraded. If you are upgraded at that level, you need to be upgraded. You need to be upgraded at that level to be able to benefit from it. But yeah, I hope that helps you with your with your business. But check out the links below. I'm going to leave the link to the free lead system down below. But I really do recommend you get the Lead Lightning. It's going to cost you a one-time payment of $7, because that will enable you to promote your page and keep all of your leads. For the sake of $7, it really is a no-brainer in a sense that a lead, you've got to look upon these leads as being your future. They're your business in the future. They are contacts that you can message with whatever idea, opportunity, or affiliate link that you want to, and you don't want to be giving them away. Yeah. So me now, don't want to keep repeating myself, but that's why I done it. I quickly realised that when I was promoting my page, every second lead that was coming in was going to my sponsor, and he was going to benefit from having the lead to message to, but as well, if that person decides to upgrade to Lead Lightning or upgrade to Gold membership, then that obviously he's going to be getting all the benefit, and he hasn't done the work. All he's done initially, he's got a person to enter and obtain a free lead system. Yeah. Even if you don't do anything else today, get the free lead system, because the free lead system, it will show you that basically people will come in through that link. And you'll quickly realise that once that happens, you'll then think, well, hold on a minute, I can start promoting the free lead system. Other people will start using the free lead system, and you will start getting every second lead that they generate. Yeah, I've built a lot of leads now, and a lot of the leads that I've built are where people have come in. They've not upgraded. They've thought, for whatever reason, might not have had the money, or just thought it wasn't legit, and they've promoted the free lead system. And my free leads are building very nicely. Yeah, I've got other people building my list for me. But anyway, I hope this helps. I'll leave a link to the both the programs down below. Have a great day and Merry Christmas.